YouTube. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to download movies on your cell phone or on your tablets. So this is very simple. You just need to follow my steps. It's going to work perfectly. So you need to download uTorrents. So you need to open your Play Store. Wait a second. On my data. So we're searching for uTorrent. So okay, this is uTorrent over there. uTorrent. So actually I already installed uTorrent on my phone, so you can see open. So let me open that and show you how uTorrent looks like. So this is how the uTorrent looks like. So you move back and you move to any web browser you have. So I'll be using Chrome web browser. So let me see. So move to search bar and you're going to type in yts.lt. So wait, keyboard please open. So yts yts.lt. Yeah, so you can see already I'm already in a website. So okay, let's come back. So this is the website. So if you want to search for a movie, you can click on the search bar there. Sorry, is that redirecting me? So move to the search bar over there and search for the movie you want. So actually I'm just teaching you guys how to download the movie. So I'll just choose a movie. I will choose this Lost Bullet 2020 movie. So you can see this is the movie Lost Bullet. So you can choose to download the movie in 720p or 1080p. So I'll choose 1080p.web because it's going to save data. So if you want to choose 1080p, it's up to you. So 720p is what I want. So sorry, directing me. So download that. So okay, download, done. So you open that. So it's going to direct you to it will bring you directly to torrents here for you to download. So you can see Lost Bullets downloading here right now. So sorry, so let's move on. So I said this is downloading Lost Bullet downloaded 2020 720p. So thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like it and subscribe. If this is your first time watching, then you subscribe. So thanks for watching. Peace. Bye.